Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your blog graph through the app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for blog graph through the app, or just click on search, then here add blog graph treaty, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, then it's going to show for you like this. You will search here for program treaty, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here, if this click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.